Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to provide you with ice for your drinks, but they do so in different ways. In this video, we will explore their features, pricing, and ice production capabilities to help you determine which one is right for you. When it comes to price, the COWSAR Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $89, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save money. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker comes with a premium price tag of $199. While the COWSAR offers great value, the higher cost of the Nugget Ice Maker may be justified by its advanced features and ice quality. In terms of ice production, the COWSAR Ice Maker can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, which is quite decent for home use. However, the Nugget Ice Maker outshines it with a capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. This difference in production capacity could be a deciding factor for those who need a lot of ice quickly. The type of ice produced is another critical factor. The COWSAR Ice Maker produces standard bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are great for cooling drinks but may not be as enjoyable to chew. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker is known for producing chewable nugget ice, which is not only fun to eat, but also cools beverages more effectively. If you prefer nugget ice, the Nugget Ice Maker is the clear winner in this category. In conclusion, both the COWSAR Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The COWSAR is an affordable option with decent ice production, while the Nugget Ice Maker offers chewable ice and higher capacity at a premium price. Consider your needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.